Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin here from the Vanderkin verse, and I'm so excited. I finally have the actual packaging for the X1 Fold, and I'm gonna open it up today and I'm gonna tell you all about it. Okay everybody, so I've teased this. I've been at CES. I've had a sample of it. I got a pre-production sample that I opened earlier. I've been talking about it for a while, but finally I'm the unboxing guy. I got the actual box. So I'm so curious to see what this almost $3,000 device, how they package it and what the box looks like. So let's start off. We'll take a look at it. First of all, I was really excited to hear, even on the bottom, they have some innovative new design packaging where they don't use any tape anymore on the bottom. So this is an unboxing video, so let's get excited about all the tape that's saved through this new packaging. Let's go ahead and open this up. So it's typical flap on here. Really, I gotta say the outside box here doesn't look that much different than the 100 other unboxing Lenovo boxes I've unboxed, but let's see what they do on the inside to really jazz up the experience. Okay, so we got this here. Let's take it out of its foam. Okay, this is where it's going to get special. So look at this. It comes with a like a gift box inside the package, which looks amazing. And we also get the traditional foam, and this is probably going to be the AC adapter. So there's the gift box. Let's just do this part here, get it out of the way. Oh, it even comes with the new Lenovo AC adapter. It's a 65-watt traditional AC adapter, but this is the special new one that's about a third the size of the traditional one. So that's really cool. It's the first time I've seen that, so I'm really excited about this AC adapter. But now let's get to the gift box. So it's wrapped in plastic, of course. Let's open this up. I'm going to be really careful because this is kind of cool. So let's open up this plastic. I love the red accents on the black. Definitely has the ThinkPad industrial design even on the box. So we'll open this up. It's got the ThinkPad X1 logo right there on it. Wow, the box feels amazing. It almost feels rubberized like the ThinkPad itself. This box is amazing. Okay, we'll set this here. Let's see what we got on the inside here. A little pull tab. Okay, this is going to be the PC itself. So let's open this up. Okay, right away the first thing you get is a genuine leather cover experience on there. And then this is the front of it. Looks great, feels great. Wow. Okay, let's see, let's keep going here. This is the bottom of the packaging. So this one model that I got includes the optional keyboard. So the keyboard's inside of this pouch, which looks great. And then also up here, this one has the optional pen. So here's the pen with the USB-C charging port on the top of it. And then the keyboard has the new loop on it. If you saw my pre-production one, they didn't have the loop here, so the pen loop goes here. So the pen is amazing. So for those of you who have been following the foldable devices for a long time, everybody's been trying to come up with a pen. Samsung, of course, has a foldable device, but everybody's concerned about how a foldable screen is going to be able to take the abuse, you know, that a pen is going to have on it. So Lenovo figured it out and it's included. So looks good. It folds. Hey. All right, we got the folding mechanism. Let's turn this on. Of course, we all know the first time you power on a device, it needs to be charged. So I get to try this new charger. Let's plug this in down here. And let's see what this looks like. So here we go. So it's plugged in. You can use either one of the USB-C ports for charging. Let's hit the power button. It's got, of course, the flap on the back. So I'm going to open up this flap. Feel this velvety touch here. And then we'll let this boot for a second. So one question that I've seen a lot on other unboxing videos, people asking, you know, why would anybody get, why a foldable PC? It's cool. Everybody appreciates, I think that Lenovo is really cutting edge. They're really pushing the boundaries. They've made investments that other companies haven't been willing to make the world's first foldable PC. You know, but what's the advantage of it? So I've thought about it a lot. I've watched a lot of the videos, and I think one thing we really have to get over is thinking of this as a big iPad. It's not. It's heavier than an iPad. It's all you need is a tablet. It's not the right solution. But what it is, and what Lenovo calls it, is the first foldable PC. So if you think of this as a PC that's foldable, then it really changes the game, because you actually have a full configuration computer here, booted up with this device. So let's think about this for a second. So we've got this in tablet form here, but when it has the keyboard, it's 13 inches, so it's bigger than or same size as a standard laptop. But the thing that you can do with this that you can't do with a regular laptop is when you fold it and you put it into this form, look what you get. This size device. So this is what a laptop cannot do today, a standard clamshell. It becomes this size. So I brought a few props here to show you what we're talking about. So here it is, folded between two books. That's what my traditional yoga or a regular clamshell laptop can't do. And let's say I'm taking this, you know, out on the road. It fits in this little backpack. Everybody knows this is like the smallest backpack you can buy. Everybody wants to carry them. Well, you put the X1 Fold right inside of there in a device this size, and it's got a full PC configuration, Intel Core i5 built into it. You can open it up, of course, and it's got full, you know, you're rocking the 1999 netbook size shape here, but of course touchable in this size. But then you can pull it off again and get right back to full PC configuration. If you're, of course, when we travel again, that'll be great in an airplane or on a tiny little desk at a coffee shop. But when you're ready for it, it's a full-size PC with the keyboard ready to go. So let's just do a quick look at the ports. I'm going to do another video where we'll really deep dive in this production unit. So let's look around. We've got obviously the power volume rocker there, the power button there. This is where the magic happens, where it folds. Going around to the side, we're going to have a slot here. This is just an SD card now, but you can get this configured with a 5G option. So not only is it the world's first foldable PC, but it's the world's first 5G ThinkPad. And you've got a USB-C port here for charging and for dongles or anything you need to hook up to it, and a second one here. Both of them can be used, their full function for charging or for adding dongles to it. So with that, I think I've done a good job kind of unboxing it. I'm super excited about this, about the feel of this box. When you get it, you feel like you've got a ThinkPad just by this box. We got the devices here, we got it set up. I'm gonna spend a little bit of time finishing up the setup. I'm gonna use it a little bit, come back, walk through how the pen works, walk through all the features and configurations, and then I'll post another video in a week or two after I get to use it for a little while. But thank you all for joining. I'm super excited to have the X1 Fold ThinkPad here from Lenovo, and I'll get right back to you guys soon with more updates. Thanks, everybody.